You ever get that one random hic and your whole body's like, you good? Turns out hiccups are one of the funniest glitches in your entire body.
Hey, I'm the diaphragm. I'm glad we finally meet.
This little dome-shaped muscle under your lungs, that's your diaphragm. It's the chill dude that helps you breathe without thinking. But sometimes, it freaks out. One tiny involuntary spasm, like your diaphragm had too much caffeine. That spasm blasts air upwards so fast your body's like, help! Your vocal cords snap shut, and boom. That's the hic sound. Literally, your throat is saying, no entry. Hiccups happen when this muscle gets irritated by stuff like eating too fast, fizzy drinks, laughing too hard, or honestly, life. The real drama, your vagus nerve. If it gets overstimulated, it sends glitchy signals straight to the diaphragm. So hiccups, they're basically your nervous system going, oops, press the wrong button. Eventually the diaphragm chills out, your vocal cords stop slamming shut, and the glitch resets on its own. Your body isn't broken, it's just human. A little messy, a little dramatic, and honestly kinda cute.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in the next video.